morning. Welcome to the Blueprint News Network. I'm your host, Bobby Ramsdell. Here are this week's topics. Freshmen, sophomores, and juniors all over the school are signing up for the classes for the 2018-2019 school year. However, some are not aware of the new course known as Personal Trainer Certification. Here's Rylee Vogt with Mr. Hauser on more information about the class.
Thanks, Bobby. I'm here with Mr. Hauser today to talk about the new Personal Trainer Certification class. For all the people who don't know, what is Personal Trainer Certification all about?
The Personal Trainer class will give students the knowledge to take the ACE certification exam, so that if they want to become a personal trainer either at the college level or just as a side job, they'll be able to do that.
Why should people take this class?
Once again, it's for those students that want to get a deeper knowledge about the body, the way it works, exercise program design, kinesiology, anatomy, just a bunch of different various topics associated with personal training. And then once again, the ideal would be for students to go out and take the personal certification exam through ACE once they take the course.
And what was the incentive to add this class to the DGS curriculum?
It gives students just another outlet for them to explore their passion and to just kind of go in that route, because it's also a college course, and it's probably the closest thing to an AP class in the physical education department has. And once again, just another option for juniors and seniors that really want to learn more about the body, the way it works, and how to train it.
Thank you. Back to you, Bobby.
Thanks, Rylee. DGS boys basketball will be competing in the IHSA Regionals this upcoming Tuesday. With more information about this game, here's Sydney White with junior Wesley Hooker.
With junior Wesley Hooker from the DGS basketball team. So Wes, how is the team prepared for regionals this year?
Really, we just been practicing hard and in games just trying to run our stuff, know the plays, so when it comes down to regionals, we know what to do and how to do it correctly.
What is the team's goal for this season?
This season is just really, well, our season's been going decent so far, but we just really want to have a good regional run and just try to win as many games as possible.
And how do you think your team will do this year in regionals?
In regionals, I think we could do good if everybody's just on the same page and we all just play hard and with the same intensity.
Thanks, Bobby. Back to you.
Thanks, Sydney. And now for a short commercial break. Every year, DGS experiences an epidemic, which is also known as senioritis. We went around the school and witnessed it firsthand. Each day, 10 seniors catch the deadly disease that has plagued the halls of DGS for centuries: senioritis. Throughout the school, seniors are experiencing symptoms: procrastination, sleep deprivation, extreme caffeine dependency, zero motivation, homework incompletion, and an extreme urge to get out of here. For just one Dunkin' Donuts coffee a day, you can help save these seniors from dropping out from this horrible epidemic. We accept payment in other forms: headphones, chargers, large amounts of caffeine, and hot Cheetos. Donations are highly appreciated. Thanks for tuning into this week's broadcast. I'm Bobby Ramsdell, and this is the Blueprint News Network. Is that it? That'll do it.